Hey everyone, welcome back. I am back again with this same wig that I got from AliExpress, the A Lot hair store. It was originally blonde, and in the last video I dyed it a dark ash blonde. So after I finished the color and I allowed the hair to dry, I tried the wig on, and although the hair felt very soft, it was not damaged by the color at all. There was minimal shedding. I just was not happy with how the color looked on myself. Now, I've seen this color on a lot of other people on YouTube. It looks great on them. It just didn't do anything for me. So I decided that I would go in and I would be brave and I'm going to lighten it some. So I went with the same brand, Revlon, but I chose their Ultra Light Ash Blonde, which is color 5. So I'm just gonna put that on top of the dark ash blonde, and hopefully I'll be between like a medium ash blonde to a lighter ash blonde. So I'm following the same process again. I have my foil down on the table, I put my gloves on, and I went ahead and mixed the color and the developer. This time I am going to leave the dye on for the full length of time. So I went ahead and applied it all over the same way. I put it all over the hair. I didn't part the hair or separate it into sections. I just applied it all over, made sure I got the hair completely saturated in the dye. And I only used 2 boxes because that's all they had in the store. So I had no choice. But it actually turned out to be enough, actually more than enough. And since the hair was already an ash blonde color, it wasn't like I was doing a completely new dye job. A lot of people probably would have bleached the hair if they weren't happy with the color and then started fresh. But I decided to just go ahead and put the ultralight ash blonde on top because this hair is already heavily processed. It came from AliExpress, so I'm sure they put tons of bleach in this hair to get it to the 613 color. Granted, the hair is soft, but I don't want to do any damage to this hair to mess up the texture of it or to cause a lot of unnecessary shedding. So it took me about 5 minutes to apply this color, and I let it sit on there for an additional 15 to 17 minutes on top of that foil. I did not cover it with foil. After it sat and the color processed, I rinsed it out, and then I put the conditioner that comes with the box dye on it, and I allow it to sit for another 15 minutes. So this is the final result, and I am so happy with it. It looks really good on me, and I am so excited to wear this wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.